Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Hey, guys. This is Carboy 34. Today I am back for another video. We're gonna be looking at some of my birthday presents I got today. These cars, the Colorado F-150, the Golf GTI is not one of my birthday presents. So let you know. So but we're gonna take a look. This is the Volkswagen Golf GTI with red, nice looking tires. This is doesn't have a year, but it's a 490 350. It's pretty weird. I have one just like this, but the chromed piece right here in here somewhere is broken off. So yeah, and it's pretty weird. They need to paint it because I have one. I think it's painted. Let me show you. Okay, I'm back. So I got the truck. So let's compare this. So this one is not painted, but the one I was talking about, you can look, compare. This is not painted, but this is. So I'll give it a thumbs up. This, I gave it a thumbs up. The bumper got broken, but I'm trying to figure out how that happened. Probably for me. I don't know. So yeah. Did your mom put the money up? Sorry about that. So here's our guy is the camouflage Jeep Compass. I like this one. It feels different compared to this one. This one feels really rough. This one feels smooth. Right. This feels really smooth and this is rough. So yeah. But this is one of my birthday presents. What 10 weird things about this car is that this is gray. When I'm holding it in my hand, it's gray. But when on the picture, it's black. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do is crack the Corvette C7 V6 new 2018, the 50th anniversary. So here it is out the package. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up. Bye.